morning, everybody. It's day 2, and today we are off to Eindhoven in the Netherlands to have a look at the Eindhoven Bridge and the other bridges in that area that were connected with the Operation Market Garden. Going to have a bit of a mixed bag for weather today by the looks of things. Going to have some overcast clouds like this. We're going to have some sun, we're going to have some rain, we're going to have some not rain. It's going to be a bit of everything, I think. But it's not going to dampen our spirits. Rick behind me. I can hear him chatting away to his camera. He's also doing a little vlog today. So, sit back on your sofas. Enjoy the ride with me as we go through Germany and Netherlands up to Eindhoven.
that character is wearing the uniform of the SS tank command.
So this is the Eindhoven Bridge. Well, this is the new version of it. The original bridge was destroyed by the Germans as the British tried to cross it during World War II.
Well, this bridge got blown up, and that got blown up.
And it appears to be now on some kind of a mechanism that lifts it up. So that central section will lift all the way up to allow yachts and things to go through.
I think they're very similar over here.
Yeah, the Americans decided to
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, we're English.
Hello.
No, I thought this would be appropriate given it was 101st that took the bridge. Well, no, they didn't take the bridge, they got it blown up. But
Purposeful cop.
The whole translation of that word to everyone on the group chat,
Oh, that's nice, you go.
so you can all read it later. It's in a PDF.
Excellent. That's lovely. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I think a lot of it's talking about the Dutch attachés that were serving with the airborne units. Because I was saying to Chris, just like when we landed in France, all of the spearhead units had French attachés. So when they landed here, they all had at least one Dutch guy per command unit. Because obviously shitloads of expats and like guys who got out while the going was good before the occupation started, and then they all either served with us or the Yanks.
See, it's not very sporting, is it? So what they should have done, landed here and got a French attaché, that was in France, not a Dutch one. They just kept things lively.
Lively. You warm enough, girl?
Huh?
Warm enough.
Right, let's get everybody in front of the bridge.
I'm not on the bike actually, I'm a bit chilly on the bike.
Yeah, so am I.
Really?
So that was the Eindhoven Bridge. And we're now off to the museum. Don't ask me what the name of the museum is because I don't know. It's 3 miles away apparently. I don't understand who has right of way at these junctions. Is it from the right or something? I don't know. What the hell? Whee! What's going on there? Or is that just to let us all catch up? We got lucky with the weather today. Considering the forecast looked like it was probably going to be quite a wet day, we only had a quick shower and that was it. So let's hope it stays like that. Like that. Just as it's starting to rain again, I think. You can see a dinosaur. I'm not sure what that has got to do with World War II, but
Holland or Germany?
Holland.
Oh, I don't know.
Extension out back, we've got a great big farm, Across farm building up.
there's the classic World War II Velociraptor.
Also with short arms.
go to some vegetarian then,
Not in very distant places. Right.
Yeah.
Relax. No.